Hi everyone, today I'm going to put one of the Z-Wide brushes in one of my Zoya polishes and I thought you'd like to check it out. This is the first time ever that I've done that, but I did watch a video on the Zoya website and read the instructions that were on their website as well because the video didn't say part of it. I do have quite a few of these brushes and I know the last couple of times that I've purchased I received free ones for my polishes. So let's check this out. So here is the brush. It's a little stiff, but it didn't say to do anything with that. And then I'm taking out the other brush. I'm actually going to keep this brush because I do know from some of my other polishes that I've switched to wide flat brushes. Those brushes aren't always really good for nail art. So I'm going to actually clean this off and keep it, and use that for nail art. So basically you unscrew that one, you put this in, you screw the top back on. There's a little gap right there. It says just to push down because that pushes the brush up further into the cap. And then wait 5 minutes before you use it. So we'll wait 5 minutes and check this out. While I'm waiting my 5 minutes, I'm just going to clean this off with a little piece of paper towel with some acetone on it. And I'm going to actually make sure I get up inside the cap in case anything got in there. It looks like some more is in there, but I can take maybe a Q-tip later and get that out. Let's check out what we have here. It's been 5 minutes. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. Look at that. The brushes are awesome. Well, let's take a look and see how it performs. This is the first time ever using the Z-Wide brush, and I actually really like it. It's just, you know, it's easier to disperse the nail polish onto the nail. And here is a second coat. This is a nice sheer white. This is Adele. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it informative. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.